Here are 4 signs that tell us that we are getting better at our intuitive communication skills. Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavale. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. In my experience, I've noticed a few changes within me which have made me more confident with my communication. These are not just changes that I've seen within myself, but I also see a lot of people who learn animal communication over time experience these changes, and these are great signs that we are getting better at our intuitive communication skills. So let's get started with it. The first sign is that we tend to be careful with our communications. And with careful, I don't necessarily mean that we are cautious or we are scared to speak, but rather we take responsibility of where we want to speak, how we want to speak, and we realize that everything need not be spoken about. If I have to explain it to you in human terms with our human relationships, it's like when you get comfortable in a relationship. Initially, there's just so much to talk, so much to share, but over time, we get into the comfort zone where even silences become extremely beautiful. So, this is the kind of change we also see in the relationship with our animals, where we have gotten comfortable to a point where everything need not be spoken about and we choose the topics that we really need to discuss. The second sign is that we tend to notice more and talk less, by which I mean that we are so attuned to their energies that many a times we don't even need to strike a conversation with them. We understand the slightest shift of energy, we understand what their body language means, what changes in their energy means. Sometimes even without looking at them, we know exactly what they wish to share with us. And this comes with steady practice and confidence building in intuitive communication too. The third sign we tend to notice as we get better with our intuitive communication skill is that we become more responsible rather than only being driven by our curiosity. Now, this is something that I have noticed in myself. Initially, I was so curious about everything that I just wanted to keep talking to every animal I saw. But now I view this work as a work of responsibility, and hence I feel that every conversation I have, I need to be responsible towards the animal and the conversation that I am committing to. This has helped me greatly in ensuring that I get good quality information from the animal and not just talking about things because I want to have a conversation. And the fourth and very important change that we see is that we don't constantly need validation. Slowly and steadily, with steady practice, we become more confident in what the animal shares with us rather than constantly looking for feedback or validation from the human, or constantly looking at the outcome of the conversation for a change in the animal. So these are 4 signs that I feel really show that we are getting better at our communication skills. If you have seen a change in yourself with your communication style, please do mention it in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye bye.